Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic BricsCAD tutorials how to use scale command. For example in here I will draw rectangle. We set for dimension like into 100 and 100. The next I will set dimension into this rectangle object. You can tap dimmed in to use a dimension linear. I will click from this corner points into here. Then we create again from this point into here. Now, if you want to scale this rectangle object half, you can use scale command. You can type scale, press enter, and then select the object, enter again. We need to specify for base point. I will select in center point. And for half, you can type 1 divide 2, press enter. So it will be automatically scale half. If you want to scale 5 times, you can type scale again. Select the object. Specify for base point. I will set into center point, and then you can type 5, press enter. That will be automatically scale into 5 times. Okay, that's it, how to use scale command in BricsCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.